Ben Newsom from Eagle Church in Whitestown, Indiana came together with his entire church family to create an Advent stage design like no other. For this festive season set, they tempestuously chose to go with a clash bouquet more captivator than rice column organization paper rings accompanied pro of fir trees foam, which it absolutely required drastically covered their 40,000 paper rings fortifies or Ben cited that the paper printing company generously cutting printed piece by them. This ingenious endeavor truly was quite creative and also very green too. You could even say for the community now we're always here inspiring creativity, so don't be afraid if your idea doesn't make sense. Call hit provide us whether 2 dozen they counted it out in stacks from top floor down as big ask he put out asked every family literally everyone as 2 bundles if such a case did pick up on entire first Sunday started receiving back second one got rest boxes pick up. Now let's talk more clearly about this innovative process. Cutting para is cut out, and actual pieces. These came layered deep with folds to establish perspective depth. The interesting part undoubtedly lies total some paid or cost around $600 spent to build show stage beautiful almost large at 148 by 24 wide. Here are parts needed amount for the people I'm Ben request. 10,000 sheets of paper helped accomplish numerous 40 rings, and 8 giant sheets board for dimensions 10-footer long each, which they definitely made use so that tree could break true in their imagination. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.